Dear students, I, Mr. Vishal Shah, Assistant Professor, Krishna Institute of Pharmacy, Karad, welcome you all to this session on methods of preparation and chemical reactions of benzene. Now, there are different methods of preparations that are used for the benzene, but broadly these methods can be classified into two parts. One is industrial methods and other one is the laboratory scale methods. Industrial methods means what? These are the methods which are currently used for preparation of benzene commercially, and the laboratory scale methods in which benzene is prepared in the laboratory if that is required. First, we are going to discuss the methods that are used industrially, that is the industrial scale methods. There are total 3 methods are there which are considered as a industrial methods. Out of this, first one is the catalytic reforming. Now what is catalytic reforming? Now we know the petroleum is good source of the hydrocarbons. This benzene is also one of the hydrocarbon. Now the hydrocarbon portion that is present in the petroleum, which is in the range of the 60 to 200 degrees Celsius, it is collected. Then it is blended with hydrogen in the presence of the different catalysts like platinum and rhenium chloride at the 500 to 525 degrees Celsius and in the 8 to 50 atmospheric pressure. So when whatever this reaction is carried out, the hydrocarbons that are present, they undergo the cyclization. Now hydrocarbons, or which hydrocarbons that are present in the petroleum, so whatever the petroleum fractions are there which are available in the boiling range of 60 to 200 degrees Celsius, they mainly consisting of these acyclic hydrocarbons like N-hexane, N-heptane, N-octane. So they are having the boiling range of 60 to 200 degrees Celsius. So when this fraction is collected and this fraction is blended with hydrogen, and after that with the help of the different catalyst like platinum or the rhenium chloride, and when heated at 500 to 520 degrees Celsius and the 5 to 50 atmospheric pressure, it will be converted into the corresponding hydrocarbons. Like for example, N-hexane is converted into the benzene. Means here just what happens, first carbon atom is linked to the last carbon atom, and which leads into the formation of the benzene. So this reaction is also known as the cyclization reaction. In similar way, the N-heptane is there. N-heptane will be converted into the methyl benzene, which is known as the toluene. If we attach a methyl group at this benzene, this is known as the toluene. And further N-octane, which on same reaction will be converted into the either xylenes or ethyl benzene. Now whatever this CH3 that is represented like this, it may be present at the ortho position, it may be present at this meta position, it may be present at the para position. So when this methyl group that is present at this position, it is known as the ortho position. When it is present at this position, it is known as the meta position, and when it is present at this position, it is known as the para position. So corresponding either meta, ortho or para xylenes that are obtained by using this particular reaction. About the 60% of commercial production of benzene is carried out by using this catalytic reforming. So this is the one of the most important method that is used for the preparation of benzene, where the petroleum fraction that is available in the range of 60 to 200 degrees Celsius, it is first collected. After that it will be blended with the hydrogen in presence of different catalyst, and further whatever the hydrocarbon portion is there, it undergo the cyclization and it will be converted into the benzene, methyl benzene and xylenes, and further these mixtures are separated and we will get the different benzene, methyl benzenes as well as the xylenes as a product. So this is about the first method, that is known as the catalytic reforming. Second method that is used for the preparation of benzene is from light oil fraction that is obtained from the coal tar. Now what is the coal tar? Coal tar is a byproduct which is obtained in the steel industry when carbonization of coal is carried out. So coal tar means what? It is a byproduct that is obtained after the carbonization of the coal, mainly in the steel industry. So this is the waste product. Now when the distillation of coal tar is carried out, it gives us a light oil fraction. So means that's why the name is given from light oil fraction of coal tar, because when distillation of coal tar is carried out, we will get different oil fractions like heavy oil fraction, middle oil fraction and light oil fraction. So this light oil fraction which is available when the distillation of this coal tar is carried out, it will be converted into the light oil fraction, and that light oil fraction is mainly consisting of hydrocarbons like benzene. Now this light oil fraction is first purified, means by washing with water, and after distillation it will be purified, and after distillation the whatever the fraction is there, that fraction is passed at 110 degrees Celsius, and when this fraction is passed at 110 degrees Celsius, we will get the some amount of benzene, toluene and the thiopine. So here the whatever these particular three products that are obtained, benzene and toluene, these are the hydrocarbons, and while the thiopine is consisting of some impurities. So by using certain treatments like the whatever the thiopine is there, that thiopine is removed because it is present as impurities, and the again the redistillation of this particular mixture is carried out between 80 degree to 82 degree Celsius to get the pure benzene. Means the whatever the fraction that is obtained from the light oil, that fraction is distilled two times. At first fractionation is carried out at 110 degrees Celsius, and after that again redistillation is carried out at 82 degrees Celsius. So it gives us a pure benzene. So already here benzene is present as it is in coal tar, just we are going to separate. That's why here reaction is not given. Just here this thiopine which is present as impurities, it is removed by treatment with the hydrogen to get a N-butane, and that N-butane is easily removed from the benzene. So this is about the second method that is used for the preparation of benzene, that is the from light oil fraction of the coal tar. About 20% of the production of benzene is carried out by using this method. Then third industrial method that is used for the preparation of benzene is there, that is toluene hydro dealkylation. Now we know what is the structure of toluene. Toluene means what? Benzene plus a CH3. And what is the meaning of hydro dealkylation? First we will consider this dealkylation. Alkylation means what? It's addition of alkyl group. D means what? Removal. So dealkylation means what? Removal of alkyl group, and that removal of alkyl group is carried out in presence of hydrogen. That's why this reaction is known as the toluene hydro dealkylation, where the toluene is converted into the benzene. Now here you can see what is this process. In this process toluene is mixed with the hydrogen, then it is passed over the chromium or molybdenum or platinum oxide as a catalyst at 500 to 600 degrees Celsius and at the 40 to 60 atmospheric pressure. And due to this particular process, that is the addition of the hydrogen at high temperature and high pressure, the alkyl group that is present over here, this alkyl group is removed, and this toluene will be converted into benzene, and this methyl group is converted into the methane, which is available in the gaseous form, which can be easily separated from the benzene. So this is the third method that is used for the preparation of the benzene. So these are the three important methods which are considered as industrial methods. Now whatever the method that we are going to discuss next, these all are the laboratory scale methods. Means these methods are not commercially used for the synthesis of benzene, but in laboratory if we want to carry out the synthesis of benzene, then these methods are generally utilized. First method that is used is from acetylene. Acetylene, as we know, it is a compound in which carbon atoms are triply bonded to each other. Now when the acetylene gas is passed through a red hot tube, three molecules of acetylene, they are reacting within each other and they are converted into the benzene. And whatever the triple bonds are there, these triple bonds are converted into the double bonds. So this is the very simplest method is there, which is used mainly for the laboratory scale, where 3 moles of acetylene, one by one, they react with each other, they cyclize, and they will be converted into the benzene. Just these 3 molecules we have to pass through a red hot tube. So this is about the first method from acetylene. Second method is from benzoic acid. Now benzoic acid means what? Whatever the benzoic acid is there, or its sodium salt, when they are heated with soda lime, that is the mixture of the sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, it will be converted into the benzene. Now what is the meaning of sodium benzoate? When sodium benzoate is reacted, benzoic acid is reacted with any alkali like the sodium hydroxide, it will be converted to the sodium benzoate. So this sodium benzoate on reaction with calcium oxide, it will be converted into the benzene. Means benzoic acid is reacted with the soda lime. So first benzoic acid is converted to sodium benzoate, and this sodium benzoate on reaction with calcium oxide, it will be converted into the benzene. So this is about the second industrial method. Third industrial method involves the use of phenol. Phenol is also a product which is obtained from the benzene. We know the structure of phenol. Now what is this method? When phenol is heated with zinc dust distillation, it will be converted into the benzene. So this method is also known as the zinc dust distillation method also, where phenol is heated in presence of zinc dust, and due to the heating, whatever this hydroxyl group is there, it is removed from the phenol and it will be converted into the benzene, and there will be formation of ZNO as a byproduct. So this is about the third industrial method that is used for the preparation of the benzene. Further, next method that is used for the preparation of benzene is from chlorobenzene. Now in this case, the chlorobenzene, when undergo the reaction with magnesium, it will be converted into the phenyl magnesium chloride. This phenyl magnesium chloride is commonly known as Grignard's reagent. Okay, so here you can see the reaction that is given. This is your chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene means what? A chlorine group that is attached to the benzene. This chlorobenzene on reaction with magnesium, it will be converted into the phenyl magnesium chloride. This phenyl magnesium chloride is known as the Grignard's reagent. Now when this Grignard reagent on treatment with dilute hydrochloric acid, it will be converted into the benzene. If we carry out the reaction of chlorobenzene with the hydrochloric acid, the chlorine group is not easily cleaved, and due to which first we have to convert it into the phenyl magnesium chloride, and this phenyl magnesium chloride on treatment with the dilute hydrochloric acid, it will be converted into the benzene. So these are the various methods that are used for the preparation of the benzene. As I said, first three methods are the industrial methods, and last 4 methods that we have seen, they are known as the laboratory scale methods, where commercial production of the benzene is carried out by using industrial method. Most important industrial method is hydro dealkylation, in which the toluene is dealkylated. Then another one is from petroleum, that is the catalytic reforming, and second one that we have seen light oil fraction, that is obtained from the coal tar. Thank you.